We are live!
We are live and we are here. Look at this. The food and
The
the
food are
picnic.
coming! And people are coming!
Online business,
Online business,
offline
business.
meetup.
Yes! This is Shay Tali and Carlita.
And I'm Mona.
Mona, nice meeting you.
And then you're
all.
going to
And
get
then you
another
get-
40-50 people to introduce.
Yes!
We're just waiting for them to come.
Yes.
Beautiful weather.
Yeah, beautiful day. So let me show you our food, guys.
Okay.
And
Nakaharang na.
so ito naman ang aking mga ka-Eagles team. Oh my God, look
Why
at
do I
that.
have a camera? Why have
So who? So introduce yourself. Yes,
Hi.
you have a glasses.
My name is Lonnie from
From?
Waterloo, Ontario.
How long is the drive?
An hour.
An hour.
No
wow,
traffic.
no traffic.
Yay.
And who's the other one? They are doing a picture. Come.
Picture.
What's your? I'm live.
Oh, live? Hi,
Live.
everyone. Welcome
I-
to Sis.
My personal. It's just.
Oh, your personal?
Yeah, yes,
Oh.
yes.
So we're finally met na.
Yes.
Yes.
We
So
met
we're
in Calgary.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Every ano.
Yung tubig niya, hindi nalimutan niya po yung tubig.
Oo, ayan na lang ang nadala namin.
Ito po ang nadala. Ito po. Yan. Alright. And everyone is here. Oh, everyone is doing a go live. And
I'm
this
here with Ethel. We're having a great time.
Yes.
And we've got food from all over the world.
Yes, we are global. Look at that. And everyone is excited. So, we're doing a meetup today. It's a beautiful day. Oh my God. So, sa lahat po ng mga nagtataka kung bakit kami nandito, nag-enjoy kami, nag-enjoy. So, look at that. A lot of people are doing a go live.
I'm doing my go live.
It's always crazy when everyone is meeting each other. So ayan, let me change this. So sa lahat po ng mga nagtataka o we are earning at the same time we are having fun. Correct?
We are.
Yes.
There's no limit to earning and no limit to fun,
fun.
if you're in this business.
Correct. Yes. So yes guys, ito lang po ang isang perk sa pagiging isang business owner. So if you want the vibe, you know, if you are looking for an extra stream of income, we have this automated system na we share to each and every. All these people are using this. This system is duplicatable. Or you don't need to change the rules. It's already been fixed for you. So ayan. So kung gusto nyo ng vibe, ayan. And stay tuned for another live later on. Okay? Take care. Oh, ito si anong pangalan niya? Shirley. Yan. Marami pong magkakaibang lahi po dito. Itong si aking business partner yan. Diba?
Finally, we're here in my place.
Ayan sila.
Toronto lang
Ang
kami,
dami
pero
pong mga
lang.
yun ang nakita.
Oh, see? Mga
Ayan,
business partners.
business partners. Ayan. Hindi lang po mga Pinoy. Ito po ay multicultural. Right? Ay multicultural
I am from
family.
India.
Yes.
Me again. We go crazy when we meet online. Offline.
Yes. So I will, if you're interested,
Come and
contact us, join us for the fun. Take care, guys.